We're out at about 11 o'clock and we're supposed to get 6 to 8 inches of snow. And I think we already have like 3-4 inches. Ugh. Going to come out later and see how the conditions are and leave it at that. This is just my the first part of this vlog and leave it at that. Wow. Hello again. This is how bad the weather is. As you can see how deep my snow how deep the snow is. The playground is covered. I think I did shovel about 6 inches off the ramp. I'm in the Lublin Park at the moment, and it's kind of crazy that the snow won't just end. Ugh. So, just showing you the park at the moment. Park is such a mess. Well, thank you for watching, and hope you like this video. These conditions are just gonna get bad, so I'm going in. Bye bye.